Helena lives in a small town. The streets are quiet, the houses are simple. Every day feels the same. She works, goes home, and feels tired. At night, she looks at the ceiling and feels lonely. Helena dreams of love and a better life. She wants to feel special, but she thinks her life cannot change. She feels afraid to dream big. Still, her heart wants more. One day, Helena is cleaning her house. Her phone plays a video. The video is in English. She does not understand the words, but she likes the sound. The voice is calm and warm. Helena stops cleaning. She listens carefully. The English sounds beautiful. She smiles. Something inside her heart wakes up. She listens again. From that day, Helena listens to English every day. She listens in the morning, she listens at night. She listens while cooking and walking. She only listens and repeats simple words. At first, English is hard. The words are fast. Helena feels shy. She makes mistakes. Sometimes she feels sad, but she does not stop. Little by little, English feels easier. Some words are clear now. Helena repeats sentences alone. She laughs at her mistakes. She feels proud. English changes Helena inside. She feels confident. She feels beautiful. She believes in herself. She smiles more. She stands taller. One night, Helena joins an international dating site. She feels nervous. Her hands shake, but she is brave. She writes a simple text in English. Her text is short and honest. "Hello, my name is Helena. I like music, calm days, and honest love." She clicks send. Soon, Helena meets Daniel. He is kind and calm. He has a good life. He listens to her with care. He is patient. They talk every day in English. Helena makes mistakes. Daniel smiles. He waits. He understands. Helena feels safe with him. Their talks are sweet. They talk about dreams. They talk about life. Sometimes they laugh. Sometimes they are quiet together. English is not scary anymore. English is a bridge. It connects two hearts from different worlds. After many months, Helena and Daniel meet in person. Helena feels nervous. Her heart beats fast. When she sees him, she smiles. They walk together. They talk slowly. They laugh softly. The moment is simple. The moment is real. Helena understands something important. She did not learn English only for love. She learned English to change her life. Love came naturally. It came because she believed in herself. Everything started with listening.